Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can edit your tweets on your Twitter app. Yes, but before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So let me show you. First of all, just open your Twitter app first, and once your app is open, then you will tap on this above left corner, tap on it, tap on your profile again, then you can see all the tweets and the posts that you have done so far, and you will just tap on this particular tweet and you will see this three dot icon on top right corner. Tap on that, and here you can see there is an option called pin to profile, delete tweet, mute this conversation, view hidden replies, change your can reply, but you cannot see the option called edit your tweet because it is not available. So apparently you have to have a particular subscription. If you go to this feature section, then you can see this edit tweet option. You can edit your tweets within 30 minutes, and this you have to get the subscription for this. And if you scroll down availability option, then you can see the new subscriptions to Twitter Blue are available globally on web, iOS or Android. Not all features are available on all platforms. And then you will go to this requirement option where you will see this where Twitter accounts created more than 30 days ago can sign up for Twitter Blue. So you have to meet this one particular requirement also, that your account has been created 30 days ago for you to sign up for Twitter Blue. And once you're done, then you can see that this existing subscribers, and yeah, you have to pay around $8 for iOS. And so whoever been using this feature on Twitter Blue for $3, for $5, apparently have to upgrade their subscription up to $8. So keeping it short, apparently you have to get the subscription on Twitter Blue and you have to sign in, and then finally you can get this edit tweet feature available. So as you can see in this article mentioned, whoever has been paying around $3 or $5, now you have to upgrade to pay $8 per month to continue that feature and enjoy that feature further. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video has given you the answers of your questions, and I'll see you guys next time.